My name is Anna and welcome to my channel. I live on the island of Andros, located in the country of the Bahamas. The unique thing about the Bahamas is that it's a chain of 700 islands and keys spread out over just over 5,000 square miles in the Atlantic Ocean. Recently, the Bahamas was hit by a Category 5 hurricane, also known as Dorian, making a landfall on the islands of Abaco and Grand Bahama. This storm is said to have been the worst to have ever hit the Western Hemisphere, leaving countless people homeless and many deceased. I start to become overwhelmed by the horror stories of survivors as I hear of people being crushed by collapsing buildings, being swept away by wind, or even drowning in their vehicles. Truly, this storm is one the world will never forget. Yes, we will never forget it, but we will recover. There has been a common acknowledgement made by the survivors. The ones that I've seen on social media or in the news media, when they thought that all was lost, when they thought that death was imminent, when the waters were rising in their homes, when the roof had been blown off, when they were huddled together in bathrooms, in closets, trying to find the smallest space in their home, the one thing that brought them through was prayer. So my request today is for prayer. Prayer for our country, prayer for the survivors, prayer for the first responders. We're requesting prayer for our government. We have never been faced with such a dilemma. We've never been faced with such a mammoth of a task to not just rebuild, but we also have a task to comfort many, many people, children, elderly, youths, fathers who watch their children slip out of their hands, mothers who clutch their babies in their arms. So we're requesting prayer. We will forever be grateful for the aid, for the assistance from the United States and Canada and all around the world. We're grateful for the love and the support that the world is sending our way. But my request today is for you, as you send your aid, to continue to pray for the sanity, to pray for comfort, to pray for my Bahama land. Thank you, and God bless.